In this video, we'll show you how to download apps and games on your Lenovo laptop. So to do this, first head to the search menu and then type in Microsoft Store. You should see this first result. Simply click on it. Now in the Microsoft Store, you can simply scroll through these sections and then select the app that you want to download. So if you want to download Snapchat for instance, you can simply click on it and then click on this Get button. So it will immediately start downloading the app. Similarly, you can also search for a specific app. So if you want to download WhatsApp for instance, you can simply search for it and it will show up here. Similarly, you can also download games. So for that, go to this gaming section and then select the game that you want to download. So you can select any game from here and then click on this Get button to download it. All your downloads will appear right here. So as you can see, Snapchat is currently downloading. It's almost done. Once the app is downloaded, you can open it using this search menu. So if I type Snapchat, so as you can see, I can now open it from here. So this is how you can download apps and games on your Lenovo laptop. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.